Hello folks, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another lesson. We're looking at a new one by Queens of the Stone Age called Easy Street. Loads of fun to play and it's pretty straightforward as well. There's only like 3 chords in it, I think, so let's dive in, shall we? It's in standard tuning and you just want to grab yourself an acoustic and away you go. Now the 3 chords are C, F, G. And then there's kind of 3 sections. There's like a pre-verse part, a verse and a chorus part, okay? The rhythm for the most part goes like that, okay? There's lots of variations, very subtle variations, which I have tabbed. If you care about all those, then all the tabs over at Patreon. But essentially, if you just want to pick one rhythm to play, then just play down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You can just play that for the whole thing, pretty much, right? Apart from the chorus, okay? But certainly for the pre-verse and the verse parts, that's all you need. But there's also a melody that plays as well, but it's simple. You're just adding your little finger onto the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? Which is a D note. So you're going to play... So it's... And that plays throughout the verse. When you move to the F, you're just going to do... You're going to start on the 3rd fret and move off it, right? So let's put all that together for the pre-verse or the intro. Four, and then it starts, right? So there's a little rest there at the end. Again, slowly. And then the verse comes in, okay? That's that part. So the verse then is basically 4 bars of C, 2 bars of F, 2 bars of C, 2 bars of F, and then a bar and a half with this stop again before the second verse, which is C again. I'll play the whole verse through and you can use the same verse throughout the song if you wish. So you have... Oops, and then again to the F, same as before. Again, you stop there, right? So essentially, 2 times of this. Like that. Then the F for 2 bars. And then back to the F. And then you go into the second verse, right? The second verse, again, subtle variations, but I'll just go through it quickly, and then that goes into the chorus with this. Okay, so you go. Like that. That's got that at the end, little offbeat. And then to the F. Okay, so with the C, well, that's ringing out. And then you go to this G. Got that going on. Little rundown, right? And then to this F. Again. Four. So it's 2 times around the chorus basically, right? So, but I think he does use the, I think he has the D in there, right? That's probably the trickiest bit, that F. Round again, okay? After the second time, you just do this. Again, another rest. Then you do another full verse, so 4 bars of C, and then 2 bars of F, 2 bars of C, 2 bars of F, and then 2 bars, or 2.5 bars of C. And then the next verse is just cut slightly short, so you're going to do 4 bars of C, offbeat one there, and then we do 2 bars of F, and then we're back to C for 2 bars and into the chorus. Again. Right, coming out of it there you have this there's a little couple of whacks. Then there's a middle 8. Nothing's really that different apart from you play 4 times of this. So you just let it ring out, right? You do that 4 times, and then there's some reverse guitar parts over this bit, and then you're into the F. Let it ring out again, back to the F. So you're just letting these last chords ring out, right? And then you're into the last chorus. This time though, on the F you do, which is just right with your F chord. Round again, and coming out with the second time you go. It just rings out again, and then you go back to this like middle 8 part, which just fades out with. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.